Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I want to ask you a question. Why is it that two couples can go through the same event, have the same argument topic, and yet the argument itself goes completely different? I think one of the biggest reasons is that unhealthy couples go directly to problem solving. Recently I was watching a conversation between two people where they were practicing good communication. One person who is expected to be able to actively listen and reflect the words and emotions of the other person is not a fan of our current president. And so the person talking knew this and took a position supporting the president. The listener actually said, "I so badly want to just argue with you that I can't even tell you what you just said." Now, regardless of where you stand on our president, I want to point that out. I was so ready to argue with you. I wanted to argue with you so badly that I couldn't even tell you the words that you said. Let me ask you a serious question. When the last time you and your loved ones had a fight, maybe your husband, your wife, your partner, what happened? Later, did you agree on the events? So often when I'm in the room, I see people who they don't even agree on what happened. And I think one of the problems is because over the course of a day or over the course of days, we escalate, right? So you go to work and there's Jerry, an accountant, and he drives you nuts. And Sue in the mailroom, she's always in your business. And then your boss kind of had a bad day, so he took it out on you. And then his boss, she really had a bad day, so she took it out on you. And all while you're at work, you're escalating. And then you got that letter from the IRS, and so now your anxiety's up. And so what happens is you're walking along, and then you escalate, and then the fight is up here. You see, healthy, good communicators can do three things. Number one, they can de-escalate themselves. Now, I have really good news for you. If you're married, if you're in a relationship with someone else, you don't have to de-escalate them. In fact, you can't. You do have to choose your words wisely and think through what you're saying in an effort to not purposely escalate them. But you can't de-escalate them. But you can de-escalate yourself, right? You have to bring yourself back down a little bit. Now, if this is calm and here's the fight, you're probably not going to get back down to calm. But you can probably de-escalate down to somewhere in the middle. And then comes the second step. You have to tolerate the stress. As one of my colleagues calls it, you have to sit in the stink, right? You have to accept the fact that you're agitated, that you're irritated, that you're elevated, that your heart rate is racing, maybe even that you're mad. You also have to accept the fact that your partner, the person that you're talking to, is elevated, is upset, is irritated. And you have to tolerate that distress. Only after you have de-escalated and come to the place where you can tolerate that stress do you go to the third step, which is problem solving. I think one of the reasons that a lot of fights spin out of control is because we go directly to problem solving. The next time you're in an argument, try to do this. Try to de-escalate yourself first. Then try to tolerate the stress of knowing you're upset. Don't try to make it all go away. Just accept the fact that there's stress. And then go to problem solving. Try to figure out what the problem is and how you can problem solve together with the person you're talking with. Put this into action and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. If you didn't like it, let me know. If there's something you want me to talk about, let me know. You can find me on the web at all the usual social media places. Twitter at Joe Martino, Facebook at Joe Martino Counseling, YouTube, you found me, so hit subscribe. Thanks so much.